Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Calendly routing to reduce no-shows, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your Calendly routing and reduce no-shows, begin by logging into your Calendly account. Navigate to the event types section on your dashboard. Select the specific event type you want to update. Click on the edit button to modify the event settings. In the event details, look for the invitee questions section. Add a question asking invitees to confirm their attendance. Make this question mandatory for all invitees. Next, navigate to the advanced settings. Enable the option for reminders. You can choose to send email or SMS reminders. Set the reminders to go out 24 hours and 30 minutes before the event. After that, consider enabling buffer times between events. This will provide a cushion to prevent back-to-back bookings. You may also want to adjust the availability settings. Limit the days and times when appointments can be scheduled. Now, add a personal message in the confirmation email. This reinforces your expectations regarding attendance. Review your settings to ensure everything is configured properly. Once satisfied, click on the Save and Close button to apply changes. Finally, test your updated routing by scheduling a mock appointment. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing feedback. This complete guide will help reduce no-shows for your events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.